how to set a video as your wallpaper on your MacBook. So I'll show you how you can add your own custom video to your wallpaper or lock screen. Now to do this, you just need to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and then press System Settings. You can then scroll down from this left hand navigation and click on Wallpaper, and then you need to scroll down, and the first thing you need to do is go and download any wallpaper. Now it doesn't matter which one you pick, as this won't be the final wallpaper, but you just need to go and download any video wallpaper by clicking the download icon next to it. Now as you can see, it will give you the download status and then it will change your wallpaper like this. Now keep this wallpaper tab open and then click on Finder in the bottom left hand side. Click on Go at the top of the page and then select Computer. Double click on Macintosh HD. Now double click on Library and double click on Application Support. Now you should see a folder titled com.apple.idleas. Go and double click on this. You could then double click on Customer, and then you should see a file here which is the wallpaper we just downloaded. So what you need to do now is come down to your taskbar and open up Apps. Now in the search box, type in Activity Monitor and open up this app here. Click on the search box in the top right hand side, search for the text wallpaper, and you should see a process called Wallpaper Aerials Extension. Now you need to make sure you have the wallpaper tab open like this in order to see the process. Now once you have this open, double click on it. You can then press Open Files and Ports, and then scroll down to the bottom and you'll see this file name. Now underneath this line of text, you'll see a folder that starts with users. So you need to copy this text from the first / all the way up to the / that ends after aerials. Now once you've selected this line of text, press Command C to copy it. You can then click on Finder in the bottom left hand side, click on Go and then select Go to Folder. Press Command V to go and copy the text and then press Enter. Now double click on the videos folder, and here you'll find that video that we just set as our wallpaper. So what we need to do is basically replace this video with our own custom video. Now in order to do this, we need to make sure the file name is exactly the same. So go and double click on this text and it should select the file name like this. Press Command C to copy the text. And then once it's been copied, you can go and come back over to Finder in the bottom left hand side. Hold your mouse cursor down on Finder and then press New Finder window to open up a new window. Now you need to locate the video that you want to use as your custom wallpaper. So mine is this screen recording here, but it can be any video saved on your Mac. Now go and double click on the text. Now press Command V to paste in the text that we just copied. And that should replace the file name with the same text that was in the previous window. So let's come back over to this videos folder, and now what we can do is select that video, and then you need to delete this from the folder. Once it's been deleted, we can now replace it with our new video. So as you can see, the text should match exactly the same. Once you've done this and your custom video is in this folder, let's come back over to the Wallpaper Aerials extension, click on Quit, and then press Force Quit. You can also restart your computer, it's essentially the same thing. So now what you can do is go and lock the screen on your Mac computer, and it will now start playing your custom video wallpaper.